Balance, practicality, and legacy. The front engine layout remains the heartbeat of modern automotive design. Positioned just ahead of the driver, the engine sits over the front axle, delivering predictable handling, optimized space, and ease of cooling. This configuration offers excellent weight distribution for daily driving and allows for a spacious cabin and trunk, making it ideal for sedans, SUVs, and even grand tourers. Whether it's powering the front wheels for efficiency or the rear for a more dynamic feel, the front engine design is incredibly versatile. From luxury cruisers to high-performance machines like the Ferrari 812 Superfast and Dodge Charger Hellcat, this layout has stood the test of time, blending function, form, and familiarity in a way that few other setups can rival.